Hi friends, we're going to work on our math page today. It is Unit 4, Lesson 20, and it looks a little similar to something we've done before where we are matching different numbers in different ways that we can see them. So as always, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to read our directions so we know what to do. So it says draw lines to match. And when we match, we want to make sure that the number of dots is the same as the number, right? Matching means that it's the same. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And remember, like last time I told you that this might be a part where you want to switch your colors so that your lines don't get all messed up. If you want to use a crayon to draw your lines, that's okay. So let's try this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I need to take this blue dot and draw all the way up as best as I can to the 8. So that's what you're going to do for this part. Now the second part is the same thing, but we have to instead now make 2 matches. So it says draw lines, make 2 matches. So here we have the number of fingers, here we have the actual number, and here we have circles to count. So let's start with the one that they gave us an example. How many fingers does he have up? 1. So I'm going to take this blue dot, draw it to the 1. Then I need to find where I see 1 circle, which is right here. Now again, if you want to use a crayon, get a different color. I'm going to choose blue this time. Let's start with here. If he's got this many fingers, how many? 5. So I'm going to take my line, draw it all the way down to this dot on 5. Then I need to find 5. Nope, nope, nope. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I have to take my line and go all the way up, which is why sometimes using a crayon and different colors can help keep it a little bit neater. So that is the first part, okay? Then I'm going to go down to the next part, and I'm going to read my directions. Count and write the number. Ring, which also means circle, the number that is less. So remember, less is going to be that smaller number. So there's a couple different parts. We need to count, we need to write the number, and we need to ring the number that's less. So that's 3 different directions. So let's do this and let's count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now remember, sometimes if we need to make a little dot or a line, 2, 3, 4, to remember which ones we counted, that's okay. Now we need to ring which one is less. Do we think 4 is less or 3 is less? Which one's the smaller number? Good, 3. So I'm going to circle it. So you're going to do the same thing for the rest of those problems. Okay. Then if I go to the back, it is more adding practice, and we've done a lot of adding practice. Remember, adding is like this, and we put the numbers together. If we add 0, it stays the same, and if we add anything else, it gets bigger. So add the numbers, and if you need to still circle your sign to help you, that's okay. Now, what are the couple ways we can help with our adding? We can use our fingers, we can draw a picture, or we can use things that we can pick up. So I'm going to let you try all of that adding all by yourself because I think that you guys can do it. And make sure that when we're done, we go back and check our work, make sure our adding is correct and our numbers are nice and neat so that I can read them. Then the bottom, remember this check your understanding is the challenge that you can do, but you don't have to. It says draw to show 19. Use a group of 10 and some 1. So how would you draw 19? You can use a 10 stick and extra ones. You can draw a picture. You can write an equation. What are different ways that you can make 19? All right, friends, keep up the great work. You are doing awesome. I miss you. Bye.